The I-CAN statement for this station is I can identify text features. Text features are certain features within a nonfiction text that help me find information quickly. The app that we will be using for the comprehension station is called EduCreations. When you are ready to get into the app, just press the app EduCreations. When you get into the EduCreations app, you will see a screen that looks just like this. We are actually going to be inserting pages within a nonfiction text into the EduCreations app. After we have inserted a page from a text, we're going to use the drawing features up here to label the certain text features that we see within the nonfiction text. When we are ready to insert a page from the nonfiction text, we are going to press the plus sign. The plus sign is used when you want to add something into EduCreations. What we are going to add is a picture of a page within a nonfiction text. So we press the plus sign. Then we're going to press this little picture icon. That's going to take us to all of the pictures of the pages of the nonfiction text. When you press that picture icon, it's going to come up with all the photos that are on this iPad. You will notice down towards the bottom, you will see the titles of different books. Coral Reefs is a nonfiction text that you can choose. Yellowstone is a nonfiction text that you could choose. France is a nonfiction text that you can choose. Or the butterfly life cycle is another text that you can choose. You choose which book you want to work with for your project. I'm going to choose the butterfly life cycle. So when I am ready, I'll click on that album and it's going to give me all of the pages from that nonfiction book, the butterfly life cycle. Once you choose the nonfiction text that you want to use, click on it and it's going to open up to all of the pictures within the nonfiction text. Here's my title of the book up at the top, and then down here is where I have all of the pages within that book. The first page of the book is down here at the bottom, and the last page is up here up at the top. When I'm ready to insert a page into my EduCreations, all I will need to do is click on that image, and then it's going to be inserted into EduCreations. I click that picture from the nonfiction text, and now it's into my EduCreations. Now what I'm going to do is label the different text features that I see on the page. Well, I know this is the title page. Here's the title. And now over here with my pen, I'm going to write title. When I'm ready to insert another image, I will need to press the gray arrow that's down at the bottom of the page to go to the next page. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and then it will open me up to another blank page. Here's this gray arrow again. If I want to go to the next page, I could click that. But right now I have a blank page in front of me. So I'm going to click on that plus sign again. And then here's that little picture icon again. That's going to open up all of the pictures on the iPad once more. I'll go right into the butterfly life cycle album, and then I can click on my next image to insert into EduCreations. I'm back into the butterfly life cycle album. There's the title of my book. I've already inserted this page, so I don't need to insert it again. Then I will insert this next page. Then I will insert this page, and so on until I have all of the pages entered on each side of EduCreations. Once I've inserted a page, then I can label with my pen tools the different text features. Here's my next page in my butterfly life cycle text. I'm going to use my pen tools to label the certain text features that I see on the page. Well, the text feature that I see on this page is pretty obvious. This is the table of contents. I'm going to put a box, a circle around it, and now I'm going to label it. This text feature is the table of contents. I actually have another text feature on this page that we've talked about before. Here is a photograph. This is a real picture of a butterfly. I'm going to use my pen tool to label the text features that are on the page. Once you have inserted all of your pages from your nonfiction text, another thing that you can do is use this red record button to record your voice when you are labeling the text features. You can press record and you will see that the numbers will change when you are recording. You can use your voice to describe the different text features. Like on my last page, I could say, this is the table of contents. Or I could say, this is a title. When I'm finished recording, I actually need to press the red pause button that will be right here while you're recording. Once your nonfiction text feature book is completed, you are going to press this button up at the top of the Educreations. It has an arrow within a box. That's going to be the exit button. But when you press that button, 3 options are going to come up. Save draft, save finished video, or discard. Discard means throw away. We are not going to press this button. Everything that you worked hard on will then go away. If it's the end of the station and you did not get to finish, you would press save draft. If you are 100% finished, you would press save finished video. Educreation is going to keep your project. Make sure that you put your name on it so then I know who can identify text features and who cannot identify text features within a nonfiction text.